How to transfer ChatGPT memory to a new chat. So this is basically if you want to transfer your memory from one ChatGPT account to another new account. And what you can do is simple. First, you want to open up the first account that has the memory and make sure you're signed in. Now, all you need to do is open up a new chat. And then you will need to send the following prompt. I want you to summarize the memory you have on this account and generate a docs file that contains all the memory context, which I can download and use on a brand new account, and then send the prompt. And once it's completed, it should provide you with a file like this, which you can click on and download. Now, once you've downloaded the file, you want to go to your new ChatGPT account and sign into your account. And all you need to do is attach this file to a new chat. So you should find the file like this and drag it and drop it onto a new ChatGPT chat. And then simply type your prompt and send it, and it will use that file as the memory context to answer you. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.